Need organization and storage solutions for your home? Then think no further than Cole Timber's manufactured pine products. Flat pack products like Expander Shelf. Easy to assemble, sturdy and durable, and comes in various sizes for your storage solutions. Everything that you need comes in a convenient flat pack, including the screws. All you need is a screwdriver or a drill. It also comes with pre-drilled holes and slots, and labels to make assembly that much more easier. Make sure that your shelves are facing the right direction and then attach them to the upright pine bars using the screws provided with either your power drill or a screwdriver. That's it, then the assembly is finished and you can stand your shelf upright. Expander Shelf comes in various sizes and they are all assembled in the same fashion. So when you need organization, think Cole Timbers. You can also use Expander Shelf for other areas of the home like the garage, where you need space to store your paints and tools, neatly and organized and out the way. And when you need more storage, just expand. Expander Shelf by Cole Timbers. Visit swampland.co.za for more information.